Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P1707 error code refers to a situation identified as neutral position sensor B circuit low voltage. This DTC is triggered when the output voltage from the neutral position sensor B fails to meet specified thresholds, indicating a potential failure within the system. The primary role of the neutral position sensor is to inform the powertrain control module, PCM, about the position of the transmission's neutral gear, ensuring proper engine management and shifting. The sensor is typically located near the transmission assembly. Its low voltage output can lead to improper engine function, affecting vehicle performance and safety. In this troubleshooting guide, we will identify potential causes, symptoms, and detailed diagnostic procedures to effectively resolve this DTC. The error code P1707 indicates a problem with the neutral position sensor, specifically that the output voltage is lower than a defined standard. The neutral position sensor plays a vital role in ensuring that the powertrain control module receives accurate information about the vehicle's transmission status. If the voltage is insufficient, the PCM interprets this as an abnormal condition, thereby storing this diagnostic trouble code. This sensor is typically positioned on or near the transmission assembly to relay real-time data efficiently. Therefore, if the sensor is malfunctioning, it can lead to issues such as erratic shifting or even engine stalling. Understanding its exact location helps technicians perform physical inspections during troubleshooting. The potential causes for DTC P1707 fall into three primary categories. First, a faulty neutral position sensor may fail to send the correct voltage signal, leading to a low output interpretation by the PCM. Secondly, there may be an open circuit in the wiring harness linked to the sensor. An open circuit means that the electrical pathway is disrupted, preventing proper signal transmission. Thirdly, a malfunctioning powertrain control module, PCM, itself could misinterpret signals, contributing to the error code. Addressing each of these areas methodically is crucial in diagnosing this problem and ensuring that the vehicle operates smoothly. A number of symptoms may indicate the presence of DTC P1707. One prominent symptom is engine stalling, which can result from incorrect signals sent to the engine management system about the vehicle's gear position. Another potential symptom is erratic shifting behavior, where the transmission shifts improperly due to misinformation, leading to uncomfortable driving experiences. The most common sign is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, alerting the driver to an underlying issue that requires immediate attention. These symptoms highlight the importance of addressing this DTC promptly to prevent further complications with the vehicle's powertrain. In the first troubleshooting step, the technician should ensure that the vehicle is turned to the on mode. This action is crucial as it powers the electrical systems necessary for diagnosing the neutral position sensor. The neutral position sensor 4P connector should be inspected, as this will allow you to assess whether it is properly connected and not corroded or damaged. An effective first step is to include the observation of any accompanying DTCs like P0851, which may suggest related issues. Such an approach simplifies the troubleshooting process by grouping potential failures. Overall, confirming the vehicle's on state is essential for effective inspections. During the second troubleshooting step, jump the neutral position sensor 4P connector terminals, number 1 and number 4, using a jumper wire. This action effectively simulates the neutral position sensor's operational state, allowing for a controlled measure of its output. After making the connections, turn the vehicle to the on mode and observe the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System value, for the neutral position sensor 2. The expected normal condition for this value is about 5.0 volts. If the reading remains within this range, the neutral position sensor itself is most likely faulty. On the other hand, if abnormal readings continue, related circuits may demand further investigation. In the third troubleshooting step, attention shifts to inspecting the VCC1 and NSS2 circuits crucial for the neutral position sensor's functionality. First, disconnect the neutral position sensor's 4P connector and the PCM connector E80P. Once disconnected, inspect the VCC1 open wire, ensuring that resistance measures less than 1 ohm, indicating good connectivity in the circuit. Next, perform a similar test for the NSS2 open wire, again, checking for resistance values below 1 ohm. These inspections allow the technician to rule out wiring issues that may contribute to low voltage conditions and validate circuit integrity, formulating effective repairs. The fourth troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the NSS2 circuit for potential grounding issues. Ensure that the NSS2 is not shorted to ground by running checks when the vehicle is in the off state. If no shorts are detected, it indicates that the wiring harnesses are intact and the NSS2 circuit is operating correctly. If, however, the results show that the NSS2 is shorted to ground, this would necessitate further investigation and likely circuit repairs. Conducting these tests thoroughly ensures that all components are verified before concluding that a component failure has occurred. In the final troubleshooting step, if all previous components have been verified as functioning correctly, the PCM is inspected. This inspection process acknowledges that the PCM could be the root cause of the issue if other checks return normal results. Inspecting the PCM involves checking for any signs of damage, water ingress, or loose connections that could impair its functionality. If the PCM is confirmed faulty after thorough examination, replacement would be essential to resolve the DTC P1707. It's important to catalog these findings since they can offer valuable insight to deal with other unrelated issues in the vehicle. After all necessary repairs have been performed, it is crucial to carry out a final repair verification step. Begin by checking all related circuits associated with the neutral position sensor to confirm that they function properly and that no faults remain. Following this check, clear the DTC P1707 from the powertrain control module using diagnostic tools. Once cleared, it is advisable to take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure that the issue is fully resolved and no warning lights reappear. This crucial step confirms the effectiveness of the repair process and restores the vehicle to its optimal performance. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P1707 and enhancing vehicle reliability. Perform regular inspections of the neutral position sensor and its connected wiring to detect potential issues before they escalate. This includes checking for wear, corrosion, or loose connections, which are common causes of erroneous signals. Additionally, consulting the vehicle's service manual for recommended maintenance intervals through the transmission and associated components can help secure optimal function. Establishing a preventive maintenance routine ensures that the vehicle remains reliable and decreases the likelihood of diagnostic trouble codes activating unnecessarily. To summarize, DTC P1707 relates to low voltage output from the neutral position sensor B in the Honda Civic 2022 and later models. Addressing this error involves a systematic approach to identify root causes that typically include a faulty sensor, circuit issues, or PCM failures. Each of these components should receive thorough inspections to ascertain their functionality and integrity. The troubleshooting steps outlined can guide technicians in diagnosing and solving the issue effectively. Finally, following preventive maintenance measures can dramatically enhance vehicle reliability and keep the presence of such codes at bay, ultimately ensuring a safer and smoother driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.